And finally, our species and our eventual exit from this planet. What does that look like? Now, obviously, nobody likes goodbyes, even if it's the only part of the story that we're all guaranteed. You know, some people think that there's an afterlife, a sequel, if you will. Others believe that you're just thrown into a hole. Lights out. Good night, Irene. So that leads me to believe that life is either a meaningful journey or a pop-up shop. Either way, maybe that's the whole point. Maybe we're not supposed to know. If we knew, we would alter our behavior while we're here. There'd be no reason to try to run out and grab the cookie, because you'd go, well, this is how this all ends, why bother? So in closing, I guess God is the director. Existence is the show. And the ending, I guess it's a punchline we haven't heard yet. I just came up with that. Comments below, that's how that works.